second graders, welcome to your grammar lesson for this week. The grammar lessons are going to focus on nouns. We're going to talk about regular nouns, otherwise known as common nouns, proper nouns this week. We're also going to talk about how you can make nouns plural. But first, I think we need to review just what a noun is. So if you haven't done so already, I want you to go into the binder that I sent home for this week. And there was a binder clip on a bunch of papers, and this was the first page. We are going to be using the notebook that was in our binder. And if you're just wondering, I did tear out some of the pages that we had written on before, so we can start fresh. And we're going to be making this interactive grammar notebook. Okay, and again, this is the first page. What's kind of nice about these is the directions are always on the first page and the materials are on the page or pages behind it. So if you don't have time to watch the video, or if you just don't want to watch the videos, you can usually figure out what to do just by reading these directions. All right, so to review, a noun is a person, place, thing, animal, or idea. So I cut that out of the top piece of paper, the one that was right behind here, and I glued that as the title of this page. I went ahead and I cut all the other pieces out. I made sure to cut on the solid black lines only, okay? So I did some of this work ahead of time. I cut out all the person, place, thing, animal, idea. I did not cut on the dotted line. And then I cut the rectangles that were also included on there on the solid line. If you need to pause the video, please feel free to do that. Then I went and I glued the 5 blank rectangles down right here, okay? And then I went back and I'm adding the person, place, thing, animal, and idea on top of that. So I already did 3 of them. I'll show you how I'm going to do these last 2. So here's animal. I'm not going to glue the whole thing on top. So you want this to be a flap so we can write underneath it. So I'm going to take this. Bear with me because I'm doing this at kind of a funny angle so you can see. I'm going to fold on that dotted line. If you even want to, you can fold it back the other way. And then I'm going to flip it over and only put glue right here in this top part. I'll make sure to stop where that fold line is. Okay? Then I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to match the bottom of this shape with the bottom of the shape on the paper. So this edge or this bottom edge lined up with this bottom edge. Okay? And then I'll show you for the last one again. I like to take it, fold it this way. If you need help from an adult, that's fine. This does not need to be perfect. Kind of like when we're doing the non-fiction text features. Let me go back this way. I'm going to turn it over. Again, I'm going to put just a little bit of glue here, just on this top part. I'm going to stop where that fold line is, turn it over. Let me move this up just a bit. Align the 2 bottom edges up and glue it down. Okay? So your assignment is, of course, to put this together, but then I want you to go underneath the flap and I want you just to write one word. I want you to think of a person. And you can write down a specific name, or you could write down something like teacher or doctor or nurse underneath there, because that's a noun. Then the place, you're going to flip it up. I want you to think of a place. It could be your house. It could be Walt Disney World. It could be a restaurant. Write it in there. Think of one thing and write that in there. One animal, maybe if you have a pet. All of these are nouns. One idea. Ooh, this one could be a little bit tricky. I think of an idea like this. I wish for peace in the world. P-E-A-C-E. I might write peace. right underneath there. Or maybe I hope for a cure for coronavirus. I could write cure underneath there. Okay? When you're done, that's it. You can go on to the next page. I will do a separate video for that and see you in just a bit. Bye.